Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Linux Grub not showing for Windows and Linux UEFI dual boot system. First method is type cmd in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type bcd edit space, /set space, boot mgr space, display boot menu space, yes. Second method is type Advanced System Settings in Windows search bar, click Advanced System Settings. Change the time to display operating system. Third method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. Fourth method is type cmd in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type bcd edit space, /set space, boot mgr space, path space, /EFI /Ubuntu /Grub x64.EFI. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.